Now, what I do want to touch on is security. So if I switch back to the Data and API tab, in our table views, this is good. The AI has automatically set up the table views that it created to require authentication. So you can tell they require authentication because there's this padlock beside the table view card here. And when you're on the table view itself, in the top right, you can see right now it's marked as requiring authentication. And authenticated means that someone needs to be signed into your app to be able to access this table view, which is good because that means basically that someone can't access all of this data unless they're signed into your app. However, in projects, this manual table view I set up for projects of user, this is completely public, which isn't good. So let's change this to now be authenticated. And so here we're only getting projects linked to the current user, which from basically a web app building perspective is a good practice to have. Users should only see records that are linked to them for most use cases. However, what if, let's say we have admins, and if you're an admin, you should be able to see all projects. Well, to set something like that up, I could add a new table view, and I could call this all projects. And so by default, this is public. So let's switch this to authenticated. But as mentioned, we want to go one step further and restrict this table view to only be accessible by admins. Well, how we can do this is that you'll see underneath this basic public or authenticated selector, when it is set to authenticated, we can go that one step further and choose any specific roles that should only be able to access this table view. And so if I open this role selector, I don't have any roles right now, but what I could do is I could create a role and I will call this admin. And so that role has been created. And so now it's preset here, only admins can access this table view. And you can see already it's saying I'm unauthorized to access this because the user that I'm previewing as right now isn't an admin. And so right now I'm previewing as Jane Doe. And so if I switch to my users here, if I now give Jane Doe the admin role, like so, and I switch back to that table view, you can see now it's working as expected because I'm previewing the table view as a user who is an admin. So it's super handy. In the security panel, we can broadly choose whether or not the table view should be accessible by the public or only signed in users. And if we want to go one step further, we can lock it down to only specific roles. And not only do you have access to the security panel in table views, but if I switch over to an API, in an API, you have the exact same panel. So I could open this security panel here, I could choose public or authenticated, and when I choose authenticated, again, I can add more layers of security if I wish. And at the very bottom here, you can see we can add middleware for more control.